Alright guys, new method of recording. First try. It's probably not going to be perfect, but we're giving it a try. How's it going, everyone? I'm Joey. Welcome back to another episode of Over the Table's Random Reviews. Today we've got a very fun little product. This thing right here, I saw like ads for it, heavily advertised. It looks really cool, almost hard to believe kind of thing, but I decided to buy it, try it out so you guys can know. It's basically this like spinning, kind of like a fidget spinner, but like it flies, I guess. I'm not 100% sure. We're going to find out. So let's open it up and check it out. Alright guys, we're going to use this little karambit knife here to open this thing up. I'm excited. I am excited. Alright. Ooh boy. There's a box. Alright. Oh, it's not a very large box. Slightly opened. I'm excited. I see a charging cable. It's always a good sign. Alright, so that's all that's in the box. It looks so cool. Oh, it really does look cool. Here's the actual product. Wow. This thing kind of works like a fidget spinner, but I think there's a lot more to this than what you think. Let's open the instructions. Alright, English instructions. We like to see that. Woo. The forefinger and thumb grasp the round cover, okay, top and bottom of the aircraft. And when the LED flashes normally, swing the aircraft quickly with the wrist or turn it with another hand. Okay. And it will start to operate. So it kind of like will fly back if you throw it at the right angle. Let's turn on the power switch. It does charge by a normal micro USB cable, in case you needed to know. Pretty standard stuff. We have plenty of those at this point. Hopefully it's got enough charge on it at the moment to give us some flight time. I think I turned it on. Maybe not. So it probably needs to charge. Alright, it's going to have a little red LED that turns on when it's plugged in, and it'll turn off when it's done charging. I'm going to go charge it up, give you guys an idea of how long that takes, and we're going to get it started up. It's really cool looking though, really light too. Made of mostly plastic, but it seems very durable. So let's go charge it up. Well, okay guys, so long story short, it takes about 30 minutes to charge, and here it is. Now it's time to see how it works. I'm a little concerned, but excited. I am excited because it's supposed to fly. It's got little propellers on the inside. Let's turn it on. Well, it turns on. It's actually got pretty cool lighting on it. I'm impressed by the LEDs. You guys know I love LEDs. Okay. So it says to hold it and then spin it. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Well, okay, so I need to find out how to turn this thing off because it just kept on going. It's got an automatic turn off. It's good to know. Don't get it wet. Don't put it in direct sunlight. It's an interesting little thing of what not to do. How do you turn it off? Like once it starts going. The only way to stop it is to hold it. Right. Okay. All right, we'll give it another go. Apparently, all it does is spin. You can see it started gliding there for a second. If I throw it at a little bit of an angle, it should fly and come back. I'll try. You gotta bear with me a little bit because I am not an expert at this. This is new for me. I'm gonna move some stuff because it's just gonna blow it around anyway. Nice. All right. All right, here we go. Strategetic. Oh. Okay. That was closer. It was closer. I gotta be confident and just grab it. Just snatch it out of the air. Oh, I missed. But we're getting somewhere because I almost got it. All right, we'll give it another go. Okay, I missed it again, but at least we're containing it. I just want one catch for you guys. It's a very scary motor. Like, okay, it's not that scary. I'm just a baby. All right, turn off. I said turn off. All right, I guess it wants me to go again. Oh. Get back. Do you have to turn it upside down? Because honestly, it was not turning off when I picked it back up. But I think you guys could admire that catch. That was a success as far as I'm concerned. But let me... Yep, no, turning it upside down does nothing. Oh, 2 in a row? Okay, no, not 2 in a row. Okay, I don't know at what point I moved the camera, but hopefully I at least got to witness some amazing stuff by Joey here on Over the Table. It's a pretty good product. I wouldn't use it in a small confined room, but as far as a more open space, it's pretty fun. The turning it on and off thing is not reliable. I have no idea how one should turn this thing off because the instructions say, just hold it. It's wrong. It's a lie. I don't believe it. But it's well made. This thing crashed into a lot of stuff and went into some dust and whatnot, and it came out on top. It's really a fun little thing. With the flight time of 7 to 10 minutes, that's not bad for 30 minutes of charge time. It honestly does everything it's advertised to do. It's just not as easy as it looks because you have to throw this thing and you have to catch it with your fingers, and like sometimes it's coming at you hot, spicy, like. But as long as you practice with it and get good at it, you throw this thing out there and it'll come back to you, kind of like a boomerang. You could also play with friends, toss it. You probably toss it more level to, give it a little forward momentum. Other than that, it's not a bad little product. It wasn't even that expensive. It's really a fun little toy. Definitely an interesting thing. I could see why it was heavily advertised. It's got this UFO type of look, but I really enjoy it. I would recommend it. It is fun. Takes some getting used to, not reliably able to turn off, but nonetheless, it is a fun product. Give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, click the subscribe button. Check out my Patreon. I just launched it, so you want to check that out. Link in the description. If you want to check out my last video, it's up there. And if I'm going to say check out one more time, might as well be the playlist. Have a great day, everybody. And as always, don't get shot.